Hi everyone, we're here at the DR Horton SAWYER model. This is going to be a 5'3", lots of space once we get inside as we're just under 2,500 square feet. So upon entry, just like all the new models, you do have smart technology through here. So the doorbell, lock, all that good stuff. Upon entry, we see nice luxury vinyl flooring. This is going to flow throughout in your bathrooms, kitchen, etc. It's just not going to be in your bedrooms. So already we can see, look at this living room all the way through the kitchen. I mean, extremely open floor plan once you walk in. Let's go ahead and start to our right. So this is going to be bedroom number 1. You saw the carpet. Once we get into the bedrooms here, huge windows, let in all the natural light. And then you do have a double door entry to your closet. There you go. Good depth in the closet here. You do have the wire shelving, but I'm pretty sure they might have upgrade options there for you. And then right next door, we have our first bathroom. It's going to be a tub shower combo, nice inset there. And then you're going to have granite countertops with a single vanity. Again, you do have the LVP running into the bathrooms. And then right across from our first bedroom, we have our second, back with the carpet here. A single window this time is where the first had a double. But this room does offer a larger closet. So still double doors, but they are full-size doors and larger closet space. See if I can get you a better shot there. So there we go. See, much larger closet in bedroom number 2. All right, we'll take you guys back out. So there's where we entered through the front door. Let's walk across the hall of the foyer here. And then this is bedroom number 3. So the bedrooms that are in the front of the house get those 2 large windows together to really maximize the lighting. This room is set up with 2 twin beds, but I will say this would be perfect for an office. You can even make this a full-size room if you'd like. Double doors. Now this closet is much deeper, so I would say this bedroom is probably bigger than the previous 2 that we looked at, just because you have a larger closet and you've got a larger window space, so it's a little bit more narrow, but it goes up a little further. All right. Next, we walk into the living room here. That's an open floor plan with the kitchen, and you've got a little dining area as well. So just having nothing but floor space here maximizes your floor plan. I mean, this is just perfect for entertaining, hosting, large family. You've got all this space here, those 3 windows really let in the natural light. And then as you can see in the video here, you've got your master that's going to be to the right, and then your 4th bedroom right there to the left. Really large island. Then you can see you've got that farm sink there, stainless steel appliances, electric cooktop, built-in microwave, fridge and freezer duo. And then you can see here pantry storage, very large size pantry. And then you go right into the laundry room here. And then out that door will be your garage. I honestly love that the laundry room is off the kitchen, because then you don't have to worry about hearing it at night next to a bedroom. Because I know sometimes laundry can be loud depending on what you're washing there. And then here you've got actually a second, they modeled this as like a second eating area. So we've got one here in the kitchen itself, and then you've kind of got a formal more off to the side. You can play around with this. It gives you enough space to really just feel like you have the creativity to do what you please. All right, this is bedroom number 4. I would say this is probably closest in size to the first one we looked at. Massive closet here. This one is not gonna go as deep as the third, and you still have those wire shelves, but it is a huge closet space. And as you can see, still have spots in here to add a chest of drawers if you feel like that closet space is just going to be a little bit limiting for you. All right, this is going to be our second full bath. Again, same type of style as the first. You've got your tub, shower duo, and then you've got the quartz single vanity, which I love that quartz, by the way. I think it looks great with the floors that they decided to put in. And then we'll check out outside once we're done with the master. Save the best for last. This is going to be the master bedroom. The split windows really add a nice look here. And then you just have so much space in this bathroom. Double vanities for your master. You do have a separate toilet room there. And then right now this model is a shower only, but their new phase will have a tub with it. And then look at this walk-in closet. I mean, so much space in here. Very nice sized closet. So definitely big enough for his and hers combined. And then if you do need some extra overflow space, you do have it right next door. I know what closet I would be picking. And again, there's another shot for your double vanity. Good space underneath the sinks there. And then coming back through here. All right, and then we'll take you guys outside so you can kind of see your little patio porch area. All right, I love the brick too. I just think that the color palette for these houses have been super nice, very thought out. So you do get a little covered patio space. Obviously, if you do decide to go with the SAWYER model, it will be a fenced in. You can make it your own, but it's nice to know that you're gonna have this covered patio space. I mean, I truly think this house is perfect for a large family, growing family, or just, you know, a couple that's wanting to have that space for visitors, guests, whatever it may be. But again, this is the DR Horton SAWYER model, just under 2,500 square feet. You've got 5 beds, 3 baths. Beautiful. Come check it out.